Hi, my name is Daniel with ViewMedica. In this video, we are going to go over how to hide a collections menu from public view in ViewMedica On Demand. By default, a collections menu will be publicly visible via your on-demand player. If for some reason you do not want your menu to be visible, you can set it to private. From your dashboard, look for Collections Menus under the On-Demand menu. From here, select Edit on the collections menu you want to hide. Now select Settings and look for Playback Options and hit Edit, and then select Private for visibility. Then hit Save. Now your menu will not display in your main player, but can still be embedded and used where needed. Thank you so much for watching this video tutorial. If you have any questions, please reach out to us via the chat on our website or by phone at 919-929-2501.